Hello everyone, welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating this expanding cards using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. Don't forget to get the source code in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Let's get started. First guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create shift exclamation tag to get the first set of keys here, codes here. Then I'm going to code a div and I'm going to have a class here. Div class is going to be card, and inside that we are going to create 4 divs for each of our cards. All going to have classes of card 1 and card 2. Card 1. Next class is going to be class 2. Next class is going to be guys 2, and next class is going to be 3. And we are going to have 4, right? So we are going to have 4 classes with 4 numbers. Yeah, this is it for HTML, but we didn't yet link CSS, so we need link CSS, and I'm going to link script source is going to be app.js. Okay, and this is it for HTML. Now let's go code our CSS. Yeah? Asterisk, square brackets, enter, margin is going to be 0. Padding is going to be 0. Box sizing is going to be 0. Ball box. Next, we're going to have a body, font family of Arial, background color, and close it. Enter. Then we're going to put card. Dot card. Curly brackets. Then we're going to have width of 300, height of 200 pixels, background color of white, and border of 1 solid, and border radius, and padding, and also margin. And we're going to have box shadow of 0, 10 pixels RGBA black. So that's it. Card guys. Now let's go create our classes of 1 to 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do dot 1. One, we're going to have background color of pink. So, okay, we're going to copy this 4 times. Done. Now they're going to rename them. So 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and we are going to have height, width, we're all going to have a width and a height of 50%. Height is maybe 100% pixels height, and we are going to copy that too, and we are going to paste it in our other ones that we copied. Yeah. 2 is going to solve that, so 2 is going to be TW board. Yeah. So we are going to do current equal document query document dot query selector document dot it is consist or we will use the code URL with parenthesis is going to be a value of q microtask, enter, and we're going to have let query microtask consist CSS. We're going to have byte equals this much of JavaScript is here. Now let's go to CSS and let's see. Now this is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Now let's see the preview of our site. It's looking nice, guys. Yeah, it works. You can see our expanding cards. What we have created works, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please drop a like and share your thoughts on what video should I do next. I will consider on doing it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.